I'm Emilian Saint-Hilaire, and in this video we're going to talk about the new MeshCentral feature for car automation. So MeshCentral has been automating increasingly ever-increasing amount of devices, from the Raspberry Pi and the remote desktops at first to Raritan devices and so on, and web power switches. So it's only logical that as computers are increasingly found in cars, that MeshCentral would expand to also managing cars. So I want to take a look at how we do that today. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by having MeshCommander, which is the tool that we use for active management technology. We're going to go through MeshCentral and we're going to manage a car. We're going to use end-to-end encryption with certificate authentication. And so that when you go on that control panel from your desktop or from your mobile phone, you'll be able to go through MeshCentral and manage your car securely. And obviously the car's security is important, and so the technology behind how we manage cars is obviously very important. So now I want to drop the slides here for a minute and go to MeshCommander. So this is a version of MeshCommander that has been enhanced with the MeshCentral and the car remote automation system. So you'll see that you have other active management technology devices, and you can click on those, but there's one I added here for car. You can connect on it, and those cars, the fancy new cars, have big screens. So when you go on to remote desktop, like remoting another computer, you can click on it and you'll see the screen of the car. So that's super useful already. Now you can disconnect, take a look at other features for security of the car, user accounts, and so on. But what we've done is we've added features specifically for car devices in this car automation panel. And so, for example, you have right now flashing the lights, honking, start, home link for opening your garage. So this is the same thing you would find in your typical mobile application. It's just that now it's on MeshCentral. And as an experimental feature, the Cupcake feature was added. So you can click on this, and what I'm going to do is show you videos of me clicking on it earlier today and what it looked like. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it now, but I'm going to show footage of what it looked like. Now the first thing you'll see is that the car will open the garage on its own. It is super smart. You cannot have the car plugged in. It's not smart enough to unplug itself. So obviously you need to leave the car unplugged from the electric charger, but then it's going to make its way out here. Obviously nobody's driving. This is a little crazy because it's, you don't want anything to happen to the car, but it knows what it's doing, and that's because the power of MeshCentral obviously is making this run pretty well. And so it's out there, and then I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm going to cut to the end here, but the car is coming back with the Cupcake. And I got to tell you, I think there's confetti on it or something, I'm not sure, but it is absolutely delicious Cupcake. Really wonderful technology. Now, it is powered by MeshCentral. It is also powered by an April Fool's joke, but the Cupcake was absolutely delicious. So, thank you very much for taking a look at this technology. I am sure MeshCentral will have that and much more technology coming forward. Take care, have a great day, great April Fools.